Check it. 1.0.23. It works. It works. They got the software update. Alright everyone, if you missed it, they just released the firmware update. The ESC now talks to the smart program card. I am going to test this out on the AWS Outcast. I don't believe I tried it before, but I had heard that this didn't work on that ESC either. But it's all here. So drag brake 0, cut off, voltage, punch level. I turned it up to 7. Max brake, I turned that up to 50. Reverse is fine. So neutral. Your timing is number 7 at 22.5 degrees. Motor rotation 10. Remember, we couldn't figure out what 11 is, so I think 11 is restore default, would be option 11 if you were looking at the hobby wing cards, because remember there was an option that wasn't in the book. So I think 11 was restore default, because after that then you go back to number 1. I could be wrong, I don't know, it's just a guess. But let's go take it out, run it, and see if the glitch is fixed on mine as well. All right. Now, before I start this test, I need to give credit to our good friend over at DoRC who helped me out to get this done. I was trying to download the programming software. I've been stalking the website like you wouldn't believe for when this update would come through, and I wasn't seeing it. My computer is Windows 10. I haven't upgraded for various reasons, but every time I tried to update, all I got was a RAR file. And he's the one pointing out, he's like, hey, you got Windows 10, it's not going to upload. Get this RAR downloader or whatever. I put that on a computer, went back there, download the software, and now I got my big rock upgraded. So man, that's the cool thing when you know, this community work together and we get stuff done. So I'm gonna put this GoPro here in the street. Okay, let's see. And then I hope maybe this time, if it does glitch, I'll catch it a little bit better. So far, so good. Yeah. Let's see. It's looking pretty good. I might not even need to pull the footage off the other camera because I don't think it's going to do it. Oh yeah, it's actually rolling pretty smooth. Maybe it's just me, but it just feels like it's rolling better now. I don't know. Nothing, man, nothing. I feel pretty confident that if they released the update that they got the issue fixed. Oh, shit. All right, I'm gonna try full throttle, see if that triggers anything, because last time it was coming off around 3/4. No? I think they got it, guys. I think we would have seen it by now. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, she still got the kick. I do have it on punch 7, but guys, I think that did it. Because historically by now we would have seen it. Yeah, all right. I think they had to do something relatively quick, because you got the Creighton coming out. It has the same ESC. Now, I do agree this is going to be a problem, because the only way to update that ESC is with the program card. It has to go through the PC. You can't just put in the program card and update your ESC. That's only for changing settings. You have to do the update through the PC. So I don't know what Horizon will do to make that right. Dang it. Oh, I gotta stop doing that to my poor body. But yeah, I agree with everybody. They need to make it right, but also at the same time, you got to look at their corporate. How many people that already have a program card might try to scam them for a second one and sell it? Maybe they just need to bite the bullet and eat it. They just have to eat it. Because, you know, not everybody's going to have that card. Or they need to come up with a different workaround. I don't know. But, yeah. So that's good. So now 2 problems are fixed. Now the program card works with this, and the glitch is fixed. So now let's go back to the workshop and see if I can get the program card to work with the AWSOME Outcast that has the V2 ESC as well. So here it is. This is the brand new AWSOME Outcast. Has that same V2 ESC, so we are plugged in. So let's see. Said, I can't remember if I tried this or not. I think I did. Oh, look at that connecting. Oh, look at that. Punch level 6. I don't know where this goes. 9. I'll leave it at 6. It seems pretty good. Max break. Yeah, let's. If you guys watch my, I got another video coming up. You'll see this thing. Timing 0 degrees. That's interesting. Huh. Wow, 8.4. So there we go. So this does work. Apparently now with all, or I can't say all, but at least the 8S V2 ESC and the 6S. All right. Like I said, I can't remember if I tried it on this thing or not. I think I did when somebody mentioned that the program wouldn't work with this, and I tried it. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So it looks like the fix is there. The program card now works with this. Now, I can't speak for Spectrum. I can't speak for Arrma. I can't speak for any of these people. I don't know what they're going to do about updating this for you. I do think it is reasonable to hand out these cards to all the affected RCs. Or they're going to eat either that or eat the cost of shipping and have you send the ESC in for an upgrade, or maybe it'll send you an updated one and they'll have to start swap. I don't know. But yeah, I don't really feel that people should have to incur the cost. I'm with a lot of people. I know this is going to be a hot topic. And I think I mentioned it earlier that probably a lot of people don't have this. I have it because, you know, I'm trying to make a YouTube channel out of doing these cars, and I figure I'll have enough of these cars that it'll pay for itself to have it. If you're constantly having cars and you're moving stuff around. So I agree with people. I do think they should provide the program. They need to do something to make it right. It's a lot of money for these cars and the stuff not working. You know, it happens. You know, they can't find everything, so I'm not going to nitpick that part too much, but it happens. It's how they take care of it after the fact is what matters. So they did get the software release out pretty fast. Give them that. So they found whatever was happening. They got that release pretty fast, but now people got to get the firmware into the ESC to fix the glitch. So again, special shout out to DoRC. Thank you very much for taking the time to help me out get my software updated, get my programmer updated so that way I could do this. Because without him, I would have been stuck not trying to get mine updated. Alright, everyone. I hope this information helps people out. Like I said, I'm with you 100%. You know, Arrma needs to make it right, but you know, I'm just the messenger, guys. So I hope you found this informative. It's good that this thing's fixed, and hopefully we can move on from here. So hope you'll subscribe. Join us for some RC car adventures. We got planes, we got boats, we got cars. We do a little everything RC here in the channel. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.